Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
I will show you the only reliable way to schedule an Outlook message. Use the delay delivery feature built into Outlook Desktop. That feature queues your message for a chosen date and time. If your mailbox is on Exchange or Outlook, the server can send without your computer online. If you use a local POP or a map account, Outlook must be running to send the queued message. Read each step slowly and follow along to avoid timing errors. Compose your email normally, including recipients, subject, and body content. Open the Options tab, then click Delay Delivery to open the Properties window. In the delivery options, check the box labeled Do Not Deliver before then pick a date and time, for example 3:30 p.m. on April 30. Click Close to save the delivery setting back to your message window. Press Send and Outlook will place the message in the outbox until the scheduled time. Understand whether your account uses client-side or server-side scheduling. POP and AMAP mailboxes require Outlook to remain open so the outbox can send at the scheduled time. Office 365 and Outlook. Store the scheduled send on the server and will send even if your computer is off. To change or cancel a scheduled message, open the outbox, double-click the draft, update delay delivery settings, then click Send again to requeue the message.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.